overwater them or they get a lot of water. It was a lot of rain last week, but I looked at it a couple days ago with you guys and it was not like that. But anyway, yeah, that's my little update. So y'all know I'm gonna get ready to harvest this one. Oh, you harvested that one already or picked that one?
Yeah, it smelled. He was ready. He about to fall off.
Oh, he do smell like a lemon, like cantaloupe. He smell good. So that's probably what I'm finna get ready to be eating y'all in a minute. Cantaloupe. Alright y'all, I'll take some pictures to include in the end of the video. Happy gardening.
Pretty big snatch.
This is the one that was on the outside of the fence. I'm gonna cut obviously today before it gets snatched up.
Mom?
Hi anybody.
I can do it. Carol, see the cut. So you cut it?
Because they probably cut it up some. They probably want to get it.
Suppose strike. Apple.
Alright, baby.